I'm ready. All right, Darth, come in, man. We got some big ass ribs. We got some Flintstone beef, baby. That's right. Flintstone beef. We're gonna do some beef ribs. We get these mugs seared up. We get to hear that sizzle. Everybody loves a nice grill on here and get that sizzle action going. You AMSR freaks. So the goal right now is to sear all these ribs. I want to sear the sides, get them all right. Smoked the pork butt for the first time today. You better do good, man. All right, who else I got on here? I got a first time chat from Into Alive. Thank you for popping up. Appreciate you. You got a pork butt. I'm expecting to see. Well, I already know. I'm going to see the pictures, man. I need to see the pictures, and I can get an opportunity to share that, man. Show me your pork butt, Darth. I ain't scared to see your pork butt. Yeah, Darth Barker is not afraid. He's not afraid to play with his meat on camera. Also, he's a fellow cook that I got. Oh well, I'm not even gonna repeat what you just said in chat. We'll just look for that as another day of exploring the love of barbecue, Darth. That's how we gotta look at it. But at least you got a chance to play with the meat, right? That's good. It's good. These little chunks right here, these got my name on it, man. I'm gonna cook these up and we gonna eat. Now, Darth, do me a favor, man. Throw in and dump your emote on there, man, so let them know where to find you. Dump your emote.